Yes, my people, let me tell you something, man. Sending these youngsters abroad is going to benefit us so much in the long run as South African football. There's a growing appetite actually in the market for South African young talent because we've been exporting a lot of young, talented, quality players over the last few seasons, right? Aborile, they got their move. Mohaun Kota before that, Begezeli Mbogazi as well. So Orlando Pirates did its part there, but there's many more that you can mention. Aboshandra Campbell, Tylon Smith recently, and Upuso Ditejan as the latest to establish himself abroad, right? His story is actually interesting. It's one of second chances. And shout out to Tim Sugazi because, there's a lot of players that emerge from these development ranks of big clubs, but they never really get to make it to the first team of a Mamelodi Sundowns, the Pirates, the Kaizer Chiefs, right? So a lot of talent is lost during that process because some of them end up not finding clubs and they stop being professionals. But to Tim Sukazi, he does so much in making sure that most of these boys that don't get to make it into the first team of these big clubs, like Kapuso Ditejan, Ukhulumani Ndamani, I can name so many. Usamkelo Kabini, right? He didn't make it in the first team of the Pirates. Tim Sugazi took him. He's now abroad as well. So we all know what happened between Upuso and the Kaizer Chiefs, right? And Tim Sugazi decided that regardless of that minor incident, there's still talent that needs to be nurtured here. That's looking out for South African football, actually. And he gave him another chance. Look at him now. But what's more interesting is that Upuso didn't go to Chicago Fire as a primary signing, right? He was more of a complimentary signing together with Umbegezeli Mbogazi because that was the main target for Chicago Fire. But of course, with international signings, especially if it's a youngster, they always advise to bring someone else from the same country. Obviously, it has to be a football player and he has to be good. And Upuso was there. He took the opportunity and he's now playing alongside about Robert Lewandowski. No one can remove that from his CV, right? And he helped his side recently, scored 2 goals. So he's not just there as a complimentary signing anymore. He is contributing so much to the team. Took that opportunity. I'm very, very glad with how Ikari Kapuso is unfolding. So the mandate is simple. Continue to send these youngsters abroad. It's not going to work out for all of them, of course, but law of averages says the more you send out, chances are it's going to work out for most of them. That's what we want for South African football. And if it doesn't work out, you can always come home. Abo Tashik Matthews have come home. They're still playing at the highest level. Abo Cassius Mailula, Abo Kodisang. Abo Van Veek is just recently signed for Sundowns. In fact, everyone I've mentioned is from a Sundowns miraculously. But they can afford to come back and still play at the highest level because they left when they were still young, right? And now when they return with all that experience, but they are still in their prime in terms of age. There's just too many benefits than cons. But anyways, man.